Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this crispy barbecue chicken sandwich. It's been a minute since I made a chicken sandwich on this channel, but let's get into it. It was so good and easy to make. First, I'm going to rinse and wash up my boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You for sure can use chicken breast, same technique. It's perfectly fine. I'm going to let it sit in this solution for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it and wash it off. This is what the washed chicken looks like. I'm going to season it with my own spice called Spicy Girl. And I'm just going to put it right on there. Look how beautiful that color is. I love my spice so much. So I'm also going to add some salt because Spicy Girl is low in sodium. I'm going to add some sambal as well as some pickle juice and allow it to marinate. So these are the other ingredients, which is my romaine leaf lettuce, my buns, my pickles, and my cheese. I'm using Gouda cheese, but you can use your preferred cheese. I suggest something a little on the mild side. So I got these buns from the Kroger supermarket. In this bowl, I have flour. I'm going to add my cornstarch for extra crunch. I'm going to season this with salt, onion powder, and black pepper. I kept it simple because my barbecue sauce is very seasoned and you do not want to overdo it. You don't want to over salt your food and you don't want to over season your food because you can. So I'm going to toast up my buns just like this and remove them. And this is how they look after about 10-15 seconds. The skillet was hot, y'all. Next, you're going to take your chicken, dip it in the flour, coat it, and we're going to fry them. Alright, so I have my oil at about 350. I'm going to fry 2 pieces at a time. My pot is not that big and my chicken thighs were a little big. So I'm going to fry them up for about 5 minutes on each side. They are boneless, so they won't take long to cook at all. So I have my bun back there with my lettuce on there. This is my barbecue sauce right here. It was in my refrigerator, so I heated up. So you're just going to pour it right over your chicken. Look how good this looks, you guys. You do get real peach pieces in your sauce when you purchase it. And yeah, it's very delicious. So I'm going to take the chicken, put it on my bun just like this. Look how beautiful that chicken looks, you guys. Like, I cannot deal. You want to immediately put your cheese on top so it can start to melt because the sauce was hot. The chicken was still hot. Next, add your pickles in the top bun, and like, I can't look at this chicken sandwich. You know what? But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you make it, tag me and let me know what you think, and I will catch you on my next one. Don't forget to cop my sauces and my sauce and my spices at mishascorner.com. All links will be below. Bye, you guys.